She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
What's up, little babies? It's me, Renee, and I'm back at again with another video. And as you can tell, today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and advice on fake friends and toxic friends. This is also a collab with 𝚆𝚘𝚜𝚅 𝚆𝚘𝚜, a link to her video and her channel being in the description box down below. This is also my second collab on my channel. Before getting into this video, if you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Renee. I upload videos on Mondays and Fridays and some Wednesdays, not all, but some. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if that's you become a exclusive baby, because why not? If you want to know more about my channel and more about me, all that be in the description box down below, so make sure you read that during, after, or before the video. Make sure you turn the notification bell on so you'll be letting me know videos. And this is going to give you guys some advice more like fake and toxic friends and how to deal with them. And so the way this collab is going to go is I'm going to give you 10 tips, advice, whatever you want to call it, and then on her channel she's going to give you 10 more, so you're getting 20 tips and advice from both channels. So yeah, the first one is do not friend everybody. So I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Everyone's not your friend, so observe how people move. So just don't, like I said, don't friend everybody. Like when you meet somebody, don't all of a sudden say, oh, that's my friend. Like sit back and observe how they move. Like watch what they do. Like watch the people they talk to, watch how they act. Just watch a whole bunch of stuff. Like don't just become friends with somebody because you like how they like the way they are or something. Just cause you just met them, they could just be putting on a show. Like you don't know. So just watch how people move. Don't all of a sudden say I want to be friends with somebody, because somebody could be faking just to be your friend, and then later down the road they gonna be trying to snake you. You don't know. So just don't just observe how people move. Just watch people move. If they are constantly in drama, do not continue to be friends with them, because first of all, you shouldn't even be in that much drama, period. Second of all, the drama that they're in, they could be trying to fight somebody or something, and they be like, oh, me and my friends gonna beat you up, and then all of a sudden you gotta fight for no reason. Like your name is in something and you don't even know why. You don't know what you're fighting for. You just gotta fight because y'all friends or whatever. Like no. Or they could have they was talking about somebody and somebody didn't they thought they it was whatever, but the other person's just like, nah, you don't have to talk about me. And so they're gonna try to jump you and them, or they might just jump you out of nowhere because your friend was talking about them, or they said that you said something about them, so the person just fighting and jumping you, and you don't even know what happened. Like you don't know why, and you just getting beat up or whatever the case is. So that person's always in drama. You might as well not even continue to be friends with them, because sooner or later you gonna get put in something and you don't even know what's happening, and you just gotta go with the flow, and it's not gonna look good. So if you know that your name is always in something, do not continue to be friends with them, because like I said, they can put your name in anything. If your name is always in something, if you notice that people always saying something, like people always saying, well, why you said this about me, or if you are constantly getting people are constantly trying to argue with you, trying to say something to you because they're getting told that you're saying something about them when you're really not even, you're just minding your own business, but your friend is always saying this, and so now it's because that person could just be joking around saying, oh well, yeah, this person said this about you, and everybody laughing and joking, but that person deep down, that person just okay, I'm gonna beat them up when I see them, and so if your name is always constantly in something, you hearing people just coming up to you for no reason, and you're trying to figure out what's wrong, because you don't even talk to some of these people, and people coming up to you because just don't be friends with them. Don't continue to be friends with them. If they're comfortable with people talking about them too, people talking about you to them, no, because one, you should know, because I don't care what nobody say. You can talk all you want. It's not gonna really, words don't really hurt no more. It's we're getting older, so I mean, what you say, this is not 5th, 4th, 3rd grade. Words don't, I mean, if you ain't doing nothing, then it's whatever, because you're getting mad over words. I don't really care, but don't come, people know, don't come to me telling me what somebody said, because I don't care. It's okay. But the thing is, you shouldn't even have to come to me. I shouldn't have to tell you that, because if you're my friend, you shouldn't be sitting there and letting somebody talk about me, or you shouldn't even be there listening to it. if you can tell me every word they said, that means you was listening, means you cared what they was saying. So, or it just makes me think you was probably saying something too. You was probably talking too. You probably had something to say and just didn't want to tell me. Either way, I'm gonna find out eventually if you were talking about it or not. But that little so-and-so said something, this person said something, I don't care. And I just feel like that's completely fake because one, you shouldn't even be listening to. I'm not asking you to beat nobody up or like talk about nobody or tell them to go off on somebody because they're talking to me, because you shouldn't care. You should just walk off and be like, okay, it is what it is. You should just be sitting there listening and try to tell me like, what am I gonna do? They didn't say it to my face, so what am I gonna do? I mean, they're talking about me on my back, so therefore it doesn't matter because you couldn't say it to my face. So I mean, like that little so-and-so people said something, so-and-so said something, is just annoying, and I don't go with people like that. Like, no, don't do that. Don't come to me saying so-and-so because you're gonna get cut off real quick. I don't care. If they don't support you, don't continue to be friends with that person, because if you had something going on, you want me to support you in my wrong. No. Therefore, I mean, you don't gotta be go do this, but at least you gotta like ask me how it's going or something. Like I noticed when I saw YouTube, a lot of people distanced themselves from me. I don't know if it was because they were jealous that I was growing. I don't know it's because I don't know what it was, but people stopped talking to me, just like distanced themselves and went and talked to me as much. And I was just like, okay, I got my eye on it, because like I was just like, but I had some people who did check up with me, like asked me how my channel was doing and all this, and I was like, okay. But there was some people who ain't asked me nothing. They don't talk to me that often, and when they text me, they want something, and it's just like, kick rocks, sis, kick rocks. It's like, but you have something, you want me to support you, so why you not? No, like get with the program, because if not, you can kick rocks. If they constantly telling you that you shouldn't do something, like, okay, here's an example. Say if I had a heavyset friend, which I do, I have a heavyset friend. I'm not gonna say don't wear that because it makes you look fat. For what? Why would I say that? I'd probably say, oh, you like, why would you like, if that person is already insecure, why would you tell them that? Like, keep that to yourself, or like just say you might try something else on or something. Like, don't sit there and just say, oh, that makes you look fat, don't wear that anymore, you look ugly in that. Why? If it's a skinny person, don't sit there and try to tell them they shouldn't wear that because it makes them look too skinny. What is that to say to somebody? You don't. Or if you want to go to the skate rink, don't go there because someone's so there. Don't go there because nobody goes there anymore. It's lame, or whatever it is. I'm not going there because people go there. I'm going there because I want to go for myself. So where I want to wear, I don't care how it makes me look. I don't care how I look. If I feel comfortable in it, then I'm gonna wear it. Don't tell me what I can and can't wear. Don't tell me what I can and can't do. That's fake. Don't do that, because one, you want me to come to you saying, oh, don't wear that because you look ugly in it. You don't say that. You do not say that to people. You just try to be nice about it, or just shut up at all. Because if you can't control what's in your mouth, then you need to put some tape on it and shut up and don't say anything at all, or just don't come around certain people like that. Because some people will really make you feel insecure and make you like start to hate yourself, and that can make you go down a bad road. When you could just prevent that from stop hanging out with them. They say something like that one time, cut it. If that person is affecting your well-being, as like if you being friends with somebody is affecting you, and by well-being I mean if you always depressed, you always sad, y'all always arguing, it's just something that's always happening. It's like not even a good relationship anymore. Like, cut them off. Or if people are telling you that you changed, as in you act rude to everybody, you're acting not yourself, you're always in somebody's face, you're talking about people, you bullying people, you fighting everybody, you say one thing to you, somebody can look at you one way, all of that, cut them off, because I think around people like that, it made me look ghetto. and that's the word I'm going to use, and that's the word I'm going to stick with. And I said what I said, and I meant what I said. You look ghetto with all of this and this, and people's face trying to argue and fight with every person who says something to you. For what reason? Nothing. So just cut people off and make you look stupid, because they really are out here making you look stupid. One, you making yourself look stupid, and two, they helping you look stupid. So, no, I said that wrong. No, I said that right. I said that right. If they always question you, don't. Because why? If we're friends, why are you questioning whether or not I'm talking about you, whether or not I'm doing this? Well, why are you questioning? Oh, you went to the mall with this person, but you couldn't come with me, or you couldn't do this, or you did this, but you couldn't do it with me. One, I probably had something to do. Two, that person asked me when I didn't have something to do, or like I'm just doing something and you just, because I'm talking to somebody that you might not be on good terms with. Well, I don't care if that. I don't care how fake that is. I mean, it's fake, but if y'all ain't, if it's just something petty, I don't care about that. If something really happened, then I'm gonna be respectful, and I'm just not gonna talk to that person. But if it was already friends before whatever y'all had happened, I'm just gonna cut them off because you don't like them. If you didn't like them before I came to the relationship, then I'm gonna just respect y'all. But if I was friends with somebody before that, I'm going to continue to talk to them. So don't question who I'm talking to, why I'm talking to this person, why I'm doing this or why I'm doing that. Because first of all, it's none of your business. And second of all, because I can't stand people who question what I'm doing. Like, why? I don't care if we're friends. Why? Like, don't question whether I'm talking about you, because I'm not. I don't care I don't know if that's just me or how I feel, but I can't stand people questioning me on what I'm doing. That has nothing to do with you. I'm doing something for me. Don't question why I'm doing it, because I'm doing it for me, not you. The last one is putting on a show. This is what I mean. So when y'all not like, you have that friends with like multiple different people, like different types of people, different kinds of people, different people with attitudes. They have friends who are just rude to everybody. Around that person, they act like they don't know you, they act like they can't talk to you, and that. But when they're not around the people, they all buddy and whatnot. That's fake. That's fake. If you can't act like that around them friends, then don't act like that not around them. Don't talk to me anymore, because I don't like that. That's not cool. Like, I know people who did this. It was so annoying. I just feel like, you do guys, I got friends. I need to talk to you. So you can go ahead with your little friends and I'll do me, because that's really unnecessary. Just don't like putting on a show for what? For what? Like, there's no reason to do that. If they don't like me, then they're just not gonna like me. But don't let that determine whether or not you talk to or you have other friends. If you let them people control what friends you have, then you just I can't help you with that, because I'm not going to try to persuade you to be my friend. If you want to act different, then act different. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can release a baby, because why not? Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so you learn when I upload videos, and also make sure you check out Pretty Killa 𝚐𝚒𝚘, her video on her channel. Make sure you check out her channel. Go show her channel some love, and go show her video some love. It should be up by the time this video is uploaded. So make sure you check that out, because it will be in the description box down below, and it should come across in the iCard somewhere during this video, probably at the very end at this point. But like I said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.